Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this really nice WORKPRO Cordless 12 volt hedge and grass trimmer, which I got from the seller to show you. So actually I have two sets. They are very similar. I have exactly the same attachments, except from one has the extension pole, but I'm going to show you that in detail. So I brought the camera a little bit closer. So here's actually the core device, and it makes a really good impression as this solid handle, even with a soft rubber coating here. It's still pretty lightweight, but it makes an absolutely awesome impression. Here comes with this rechargeable battery, comes of course also with the charger included. And so we have these two different tips here, which you can remove easily with these two pins here. When we squeeze them together, you can just pull it out. And so we have the choice between this very wide grass cutter and this hedge cutter. Both make a really good impression, solid build, and the cutters are really super easy to attach. We just align it here, center it nicely, and then we push it over it. Of course, for safety, only do that when you have removed the battery, and after that it's super easy to add the battery. And we also have a safety trigger. You can see when I only push here, nothing is going to happen. I really have to push here at the top at the same time as pulling underneath. So I do this now. The good thing, after the start, I can release this here on top. So I do it again. Really nice. Here on the left side we have also a charge indicator, and so I've already been using both of these blades, also the hedge cutter, and it has also performed perfectly. Absolutely awesome. For both of the blades we get these really nice protection covers. The one for the hedge trimmer just slide in, slide out. The one for the grass can easily be opened and closed again. Core device of both sets is exactly the same. And so also in the version without the extension pole, we have this opening here for the power to use with the extension pole here in the back. But it's really only needed when we are using the extension pole. And so of course for that we have to remove the battery, and then we add the lower part with the wheels. So we just slide it here inside. Make sure that you get a nice lock on both of the sides. Then add the plug here in the back, and then we add the first extension here, super easy, just push it inside, and then the part with the handle in the exact same way. So it's ready in just 20 seconds. Now time to add the battery back. And so now we are ready to go in the pretty much exactly same way as when we are using it as a handheld. We also have this safety trigger here and the starter button here. So I push and pull. Okay, yeah, definitely works, and I've already been using it as a hedge trimmer and worked absolutely perfect, and of course also as a grass trimmer with the extension pole, and also as a handheld, and worked of course in both ways pretty much perfect. Yeah, this set definitely rocks, super easy to use, and again it comes with everything, even batteries and charger, with 1 hour super fast charge capability, and then we have a runtime of 70 to 80 minutes. Everything makes a really good impression, as solid as it gets. Also the wheels down here, really super convenient. My choice definitely the set with the extension pole, but if you have to cut just smaller areas, then the one with the pole is also enough. Both make a really good impression, and so I think WORKPRO is definitely the perfect name for that. And so if you're interested in one of these sets, then you can find the links down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with one of these sets, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.